how to enable two-factor authentication on Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on Google Pay. Now you must note that in order for you to enable two-factor authentication, you cannot do it directly on your Google Pay account. You have to visit your Google account and then do it on that particular Google account that you registered your Google Pay with. So I'll just go to my Google account and make use of my Gmail. And once you click on Gmail, you'll be taken to your inbox, of course. Then once you can see that, move to the top left corner and then click on three horizontal lines that you can see there. Then scroll down and click on settings and then select the Google account that you'd like to manage. Click on manage your Google account and you'll be brought to the page where you can manage your Google account. So once you can see this, among the tabs displayed, scroll and go to security. On the securities page, you can see a number of options. Scroll down until you can see two-factor authentication. Okay, you can see two-factor verification. It's also the same thing. Click on that and you'll be taken to another page entirely. So you'll be asked to verify your identity. Ensure you do that. It could be your biometrics, it could be a passkey, it could be what password. Just ensure you enter in the required details. And then you can see the option for you to turn on your two-step verification. So click on that. And the two-factor authentication will be turned on and to be effective just like that. So that way your two-factor authentication has been turned on also for your Google Pay account. So you can now go ahead and enjoy using your Google Pay or your Google Wallet. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching and have a good day.